second. Now let me explain. See, I'm not trying to take you down, I'm trying to take away pain. Try my best to refrain from being the same as all these other low lifes that probably don't remember your name. And all your exes sitting left, I'm trying to home run. Trying to make you happy, make a difference in the long run. So trust me when I say I'm swollen shut. I'm spilling out my heart because you opened up, and now I'm going dumb when we touch. Yeah, I'm not saying that we're picture perfect, but I'm saying that we fit proportion. I'm showing you that we're more than love because of lust, not hidden behind the curtain. I'm telling all the facts, don't ask me because I'm certain. It's certain we both come from hurt places, but you don't have to tell yourself that that's the reason why we're in relation. I'm just trying to see a smile on your face and make this chapter permanent, no need to change your pages. I see a smile on your face. You always say I'm
Kami dari PASIO' Anak Sosiologi. Kami kelompok Karma, siap menghibur semua. Kita pasti bisa. Aye, aye. Kita pasti bisa. Aye, aye. Diam dulu.
Keep silent please. Bisa diam nggak? Hello guys, siapa itu? Di sini kami datang melawan kejadian bersama teman kami. Masih bermemang selalu di hati. Masih bersama di hati. Ceria semangatnya progresif. Bukan kata digoyang.
Kami adalah siapa ketuanya. Kami paling kompak, kami paling hebat karena kami anak Turki.
Yeah, we ain't sleeping at all, yeah. I'm seeing stars, yeah. Gave me your number, but I never called. I got too faded off the wet. Said your name, but I forget. Now you lying in my bed, and I'm just stuck at 1% in my hand. Ashes on my pants. A message from my bank. They said I maxed that bitch again. Yeah, that's like 45 cents. We should be good. Baby, take my hand, you never know. Think of all the places we can go. They've been playing games with you. You don't wanna say what you think is so much pain in you. Let that shit go, ayy. Tell me what's on your mind and bitch, you keep it real. I'm sliding through the now, you know the deal. You know, I know. My heart is hella cold. Yeah, we ain't sleeping at all, yeah. I'm seeing stars, yeah. Gave me your number, but I never called. I got too faded off the wet. Said your name, but I forget. Now you lying in my bed, and I'm just stuck at 1%. I just had to let the beat right, living my life one day at a time, and I gotta aim high, cause you never know if you gon' ever fall down. I never call out, don't ask me everything I go through. I just want you acting like the old you. So listen to me, baby, when I told you that we ain't sleeping at all. No, no. Yeah, we ain't sleeping at all, yeah. I'm seeing stars, yeah. Gave me your number, but I never called. I got too faded off the wet. Said your name, but I forget. Now you lying in my bed, and I'm just stuck at 1% in my hand. Ashes on my pants. A message from my bank. They said I maxed that bitch again. Alright, we should probably go to sleep now.
Oke, Kimanik, sekarang kegiatannya apa aja ya?
Kegiatan kami hari ini ngutip sampah, guys. Jadi tuh tadi pagi kami udah duduk di taman kota untuk menjalin silaturahmi dan share. Ini teman saya juga.
And that's what we are. And that's what we are.